everybody, it's Coach B. I wanted to talk a little bit about how to make an appointment. I get that question pretty often from new students. Some of the things you might make an appointment for are your welcome call or your DBA, or just if you have a need to talk to me and you'd like to set a time rather than just trying to call. The way you'll do that is you're going to log in. Here you see your announcement page. Super easy. There's a button right here that says make an appointment. If you're over here with the lab information, you can also right here click schedule an appointment. Both of these buttons will take you to the same place. When you click make an appointment, it's going to take you to my calendar. In order to make it, you'll see the information up here. You'll see phone appointment, click the arrow, and then you can pick your time and date. Usually it shows about 2 weeks out. Because next week is spring break, it's not showing as a choice. But say I have some time on Wednesday and I'd really like to make an appointment. I can click and look at all the times that are available. There's some before school, there's some after school, and there's some later in the evening. So I'm going to pick 5:50. Confirm. I'm going to put my information in. I'm going to put my email in. And I'm going to put my phone number in. This is the phone number that I want to be called at. This time I need my Module 4 DBA. And if I didn't put the student's name, you want to make sure you put it here. So for sometimes on a welcome call, a parent will put their information in and set up the appointment. Now be sure that you're really letting the student set up the appointment, since it is a skill they will need to have. But if for some reason you're setting up that welcome call and you've already put the other name in, you can put the student's name. Schedule the event. Easy enough. So now I see that I have a phone appointment for 5:50 to 6 p.m. on Wednesday, and then I can add it to my calendar. I will get an email to that email address that you provided. So if for some reason you need to cancel or change your appointment time, that's the way you'll do it. You'll go into your email account and you'll click to cancel the appointment in the email. And then you can just pick a new time. It really doesn't let you reschedule the appointment, but it'll let you cancel and make a new one. So if I want to add it to my calendar, I would simply click here and click Google. Now I can see it on my calendar. If you do use a Google Calendar, you can see it. You can go into this if you share it to your Google Calendar, and you can delete it from here too. So you can go into your calendar and you can delete it. I'll get an email that it's been deleted as well. So that's the 2 ways that you can delete and reschedule. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget, you simply click on the Make an Appointment button in order to make an appointment. Thanks.